What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video today, guys. We're gonna be swapping out my On3 wastegate with a brand new Tile MVR wastegate because I thought I fixed the problem, guys, but turns out you guys are right and it's time to put some tile in there. Let's get right into this video. You know what we gotta do. MVR wastegate. I know in one of my last videos I got the diaphragm and spring MVR, but that On3 wastegate, man, is over boosting like crazy. So I just said, hell with it, and just went with the tile wastegate. That's what everyone else.
Ooh, be careful, G's got a knife. This guy's dangerous. Yeah, safe. That's good technique right there.
This is great technique. Look at that, boys. Full race, guys. That's where I ordered the stuff from. You can see they got some cool stuff on their website.
Focus. Not focusing. Bye bye. You need 2 hands for this. A little torque to get that out of there. Alright, so good packaging. They kept them nice.
I hate packaging.
A little bit extra.
Ooh.
Okay. Guys, go follow fullracing.com.
Here, we got some more.
You got some full race stickers. 600 Canadian. And how much do these go for, US?
$3.92.
$3.92.
We're really gonna need those.
Whoa, tile.
Bear springs.
You didn't show them this, eh? So we still gotta get the
So we are putting the springs into the new MVR tile wastegate. I'm going with the 13-pound springs, same as last time, which is green, red, and black. And just to clarify, I got the spring pressure chart right here. I don't know if you guys can see. 13 is green, red, and black. 0.9 bar. There's the On3 wastegate. Here's the new one. Just get the 13-pound spring in there. 13 pounds is no joke, guys. Make sure you do not pinch the diaphragm. It's really hard, but we're gonna start putting the fittings in and we're gonna get it back in. Here's the old On3 one, if you guys were wondering. The tile MVR fully assembled. And you guys exactly what you need to know when you're setting up a tile MVR wastegate. So with an electric boost controller. Sorry.
So basically, guys, well, if you're running a boost controller like us, you're gonna want to plug all non-used ports. So there's 3 ports on the bottom, 2 ports on the top. You're gonna want to use either or top ports and then plug the other, and the other 2 you're gonna want to plug on the bottom.
When do you use only the top?
Well, when you're using no boost controller at all and you're running only wastegate, you're gonna want to leave the 2 top ports and I believe one of the ports on the bottom empty, and you're only gonna want to run 1 line.
Yeah. But
when you guys using a manual boost controller, you leave 1 port on the top unplugged and the 2 bottom ports plugged in.
So it took a lot of maneuvering, guys, but Tile MVR 44mm wastegate is in. Because, guys, if you don't know, the On3 does have an external wastegate dump, and it was a lot of crafting in order to try to get everything to fit perfectly, but we got it, and then we're gonna get the new tune. What? New tune? What? They don't know about. We got everything back together. Turbo's on there, wastegate's on there. We hooked everything back up, exhaust back on. So now we're gonna start putting my new custom flash from CD919 on Instagram, also known as Chris. He hooked me up with a sick custom tune for my kit, dialing it in. So this is gonna be the first bass map we're gonna flash it with. And then we're gonna get some logs. I'm gonna send it back to him and get it revived.
Turbo versus single, which one do you think would win?
On3 Performance, S63.
I got my money on the beat.
Alright guys, it feels like 1 year ago today I was just here tuning it with the full bolt-ons. But now, we're tuning it with the custom map from Chris. I got my Beamer Geeks cable, so it said it should only be 10 minutes. There's 9 minutes left. You guys already know the codes we get. Sorry. Should I do a third? Yes. No, he said third at 3,000 RPM. He said go foot down at 3,000 RPM till 7 and let off.